Today I'm going to fry tender chicken breast and thigh. Today I'm going to fry a chicken. Here's my chicken. I need to marinate it and then leave it for 30 minutes so that the season will make the chicken more tasty. Now I marinate it with black pepper and salt, then soy sauce, and with the different spices to make the chicken more tasty. So the result is so delicious. Mix so the season will make the chicken more tasty. Mix it. Okay. This is the chicken I already marinated with the different season, and it's thigh and breast chicken. I hope they're going to like it after I cook this recipe. We'll start frying the chicken with this metal pan. See? See how it looks? Looks good and yummy. Looking good. How is it? This is the final cook of fried chicken breast and thigh. So yummy. I hope you like my menu today, my recipe. Please hit the bottom bell for my next video, and you are updated for my new videos. And this is my recipe now. Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. So that's it. Thanks, guys.